Imagine generating the perfect domain name and stunning logo for your brand in just moments. Welcome to DomainLoom, the innovative tool that makes creating a brand identity effortless. Let's dive in and transform your vision into reality. First, enter a description of your business. Just a few words, and you are ready to unlock a world of branding possibilities. In an instant, DomainLoom presents you with a curated selection of domain names, each visually represented by a professionally designed logo. Let's see how these domains look in the real world. Once you've found a domain you love, DomainLoom redirects you to Brandpa. Here you can see your chosen domain name on various business items, helping you envision your brand's future. Before you finalize your choice, make sure to check out the detailed description provided. This gives you more insights into the potential of your chosen domain. In just a few minutes, DomainLoom has helped you create a complete brand identity, from name to logo. Start using DomainLoom today and watch your brand come to life in the most captivating way. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.